Guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So, my friends, update here on BBAI, BigBear.ai Inc. Trading on the Nasdaq. My last video update was here at the 21st of April, where I said we have here now a rebound, even short squeeze potential, because we have here a trading pattern for BBAI, which we act like a squeeze trigger, like a rebounds level. And last time when we had a successful retest here, we ripped here to the upside. I have to measure that, guys, in percent. Almost 400%. So we know that BBAI is in a super bullish stock setups. I give you now here all the updated price levels, and everything what I say here is based on the chart, not financial advice. Guys, what can I say? The market situation is very, very good right now. We have a lot of squeezes in the market. I release here on Patreon my favorite squeeze stocks, secret short squeeze stocks, which you usually don't find on YouTube, guys. And what can I say? Every day, one of my short squeeze tickers squeezed, guys. This is not a joke. I'm not faking that. When you join us here on Patreon, you will see that by yourself. Yesterday, we had a squeeze of almost 300%. Video release was here. My member asked for that stock. I made a video update here on that day. 1, 2, 3 days later, guys, we had almost a 300% short squeeze. 1 day earlier, we had also here a 180% short squeeze. Was the same here, guys. I released the video on that day. It took a little bit more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trading days, but you can see that since my video post, the ticker just built an uptrend and had its final squeeze then here at the 28th of April. Yeah, I show you one more example. I could show you now more than 10 examples here just from the last 2 trading weeks. Same here, guys, 130% short squeeze hot stock. I said to my members that the stock has to come down in this blue zone here, and then we can squeeze back to this orange price level here. That was exactly what happened here. Video release was this day. We came back down, traded here just sideways for 3 days, and then we had a short squeeze 5 days after my post, guys. Yeah, I will of course give you also the price levels here for BBAI. This is of course also a short squeeze stock, but if you want to see my secret short squeeze stocks, guys, I have still some tickers for this week which didn't squeeze yet, so we have a good chance to catch the next squeeze. These tickers are available here. The full package membership gives you access to all these tickers, guys, to my swing trade alerts and short squeeze hot stocks, and of course also to my trading tutorials. I have a brand new trading tutorial out right now, how to spot good charts and bad charts. Of course, I have also short squeeze tutorials available there. The link is patreon.com/blackbelttrader and also available here in the video description if you want to join in, guys. We're growing every day. Also, by the end of this video here in the credits, you find a membership explained video. So, guys, let's make a quick recap what happened here since my last update on BBAI. Let's see if my short squeeze pattern is still active. When we go here to the 4 hours chart, then we see that we touched this algo trend line here for the first time since December 2024, guys. Last time when we touched that, we had a short squeeze reaction, and that was here the first touch point which we had since December 2024, and now we use TradingView to simulate the price action here since my video release. Let's press play. Pop, 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 pop. Guys, that looks good, right? So the squeeze trigger is still active. We still have support. No idea what the news telling you, guys. I don't need to know that. It is just based on algos what we have here for BBAI. So since my video update here, that was this candle, we increased here. We had a small squeeze of 73%, and this squeeze is of course still ongoing. So let's talk now about the next price levels here. Very easy to see. We had also here, unfortunately, a gap up, guys. This is what I don't like. You can see here is one open gap waiting at $2.60. What does that mean? That sooner or later, even we are still here in an active short squeeze or algo squeeze, we have to come back down here to $2.60 to close that gap. This is the only thing what I don't like. The volume was okay. On that day, we had here 125 million volume here when we had this volume spike. Compared to the average volume 46 million, that was good, but we need continuation of this volume here to force a short squeeze. The next price goal here for BBAI is $4.10, because here is one open gap waiting to the upside. Then we have to see if we can find a support here in this range. The main support, this is very important, guys, the main support is here between $2.90 and $1.90. This is the first support zone. If we should see a shakeout, what we don't have right now, But if we should see a market shakeout or if the market turns bearish, we have also lower price goals. But for now, for this squeeze scenario, between $2.90 and $1.90 is the perfect buy-in price range here for BBAI. This is not financial advice, guys. This is just simply what the chart is telling us. You can see that we can also get rejected by this algo trend line. It depends what the price is doing. So we could see something like this here. We had the same here, gap up, we came down, and then you can see that the market makers gapped down the price here. When I zoom in, we can see here they start to gap down the price. We tried to come back, and then we got rejected once. We gapped up here, got rejected twice, 3 times, 4 times, and then with the 5th attempt, we had our successful short squeeze. That's why we always have to talk about the bull and the bear case. Then, guys, we have here the price goals. The short squeeze price goal zone, or the short squeeze zone, is between $4 and $5.16. What does that mean? That when we now close this open gap here at $4.12, we have to continue to go up. We cannot see a strong reaction or rejection like this. We want to see a small pullback, yes, but we want to see that BBAI comes back in this green box here, guys, that the price holds in this box before we see a final breakout. Of course, we could see also something like this here, that the stock starts to squeeze. But we had more or less the same pattern here. We came back here, you know, fighting here in this box. This is exactly what I want to see. And this, if something like this happens here, gap ups over gap ups over gap ups with volume, that's also okay. But as I mentioned before, guys, every time when the stock is gapping up, the price has to come down to close these gaps. You can see we had here one open gap, the second open down gap. Yes, we had a squeeze, but we came back and closed all these open down gaps, guys. That's why I don't like gap ups. Keep that in mind. $2.60 is a price which we will see sooner or later here for BBAI. For now, for the bull case scenario, we close the open gap at $4.10 and just stay here in this blue box. If we squeeze out of this box, it's even better. But I'm a friend of a healthy price action. We have a super bullish chart set up here. Let me show you that one more time, guys. We have here this trend line which is supporting the price. So there is no reason why we should see a short squeeze like that, or no need for this. It is also okay if we just, you know, build some strength here. I know some people don't have patience, but this is more healthy than just to see here a straight line to the upside and then we come just down in the next days, guys. So this is what I want to see for BBAI. So what I don't want to see is a price below $2.16. Even we have this bullish algo trend line, but I would wish that we see here a strong reaction, a strong support from the bulls, especially in the daily chart, because right now we have no touch point here in the daily chart. That's why it is possible that we come back down here and have to touch this trend line here in the daily chart, which brings us a price between $2 and $1.90 here for BBAI. Keep that in mind, guys. We have still a very good short squeeze set up here based on the RSI. Yeah, of course, now we are overbought after the 70% run, so it is not bad when we have a pullback, but we still have here a very strong pattern, a bullish pattern here on the RSI as well. This is what I like here for BBAI, and that makes it also here very, very dangerous for the short sellers here to keep shorting the stock. Price goal, guys, without a big short squeeze, just an algo squeeze, price goal is between $8.40 and $8.63. That's why I mentioned here in my previous video that we have here a short squeeze potential, or squeeze potential of 266%. And if we come back here to the algo squeeze trigger price range, even 340% is possible. And the market is showing that right now, guys, that we have, of course, a lot of fuel in the tank here to see much more short squeezes in the market. Guys, if you want to copy the price goals, this is here everything based on TradingView. This is the chart program what I use for all my videos and all my trades. If you want to get that program for yourself, you can use here my $15 discount link on the premium tier. This special discount link is also available in the video description. If you don't want to miss any updates, guys, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one. Arigato gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute und bis zum nächsten BBAI Video. Take care. Alles Gute. Bye bye, guys.